Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making a bit-for-bit copy of the corrupted PSD so you can experiment safely. Once done, note Photoshop version, file size, and last successful save. This informs header expectations. Open the copy in a hex editor and look at the first 4 bytes. A valid PSD begins with 8 BPS. If the header is mangled, repair it to match expected values. Make sure to keep backups and record changes so you can revert if a step fails. You now validate and correct header fields: signature, version, channels, dimensions, bit depth, and color mode. If an offset or block size is wrong, adjust it so subsequent sections align. Next, inspect the image resources and layer and mask sections. Patch corrupted size fields so parsers can read them. Use PSD-aware repair tools to extract intact layer and composite image data. When possible, export layers to separate files. This preserves work. You reconstruct the PSD by concatenating the repaired header, image resources, layer/mask section, and pixel data in correct order, then attempt to open it in Photoshop. If it still fails, create a new document with the correct dimensions and import the exported layer files and composite image. Once layers are restored, save a new PSD. If problems persist, check block size fields, byte order, and any checksum-like markers. Those small numeric mismatches are often the final cause of rejection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.